Hi everyone, Ben Groves here from MachineMetrics. Today we're going to have a short video on the dashboards that come with the MachineMetrics platform as standard. The one we have on the screen in front of us is the iconic MachineMetrics parts goal dashboard. These displays are designed to go up on large screens up around your production facility, both in production offices and on the shop floor. And the idea of these screens, or the goal of these screens, is to provide you with real-time feedback so that you can take immediate action on any machines that are potentially experiencing any performance issues. And we like to do that in quite a bold fashion. For example, on the dashboard here we see the main body of the tile is either green for good or red for bad. So from a distance you'll be able to see the red, and at that point take a closer inspection as to what's been going on and take corrective action in real time, as opposed to waiting to the end of the shift or when you receive a report the next day. It also gives you increased transparency and accountability through all levels of the business. And also the Hawthorne effect is naturally coming into play here, where when you display the performance of assets on large screen displays like this, it naturally has a boost on the performance of those assets. So let's have a look at what we're displaying on this screen here. We're actually displaying our entire shop here. If we wanted to just show the fabrication cell and put a screen up in the fabrication cell, we can do that quite easily. Now, what we actually have here is the top part of the tile is the machine name. So we have a tile for each machine, and then we have the machine name at the top here. This one is green for running. Here we have blue for idle. The main body of the tile is the performance, how well this machine's been performing. So here we have green, we're running great. Red, we're not running so great. So what do we see? We've got this radial dial where we can see a white dot there. That's where our count should currently be. And the darker shade of the dial is where we're currently at. So underperforming, overperforming, okay? And we can quite clearly see we are 11 parts ahead, and we can see the parts distribution throughout the day. And this is one of several dashboards that are available. So we can jump to things like OEE, and we can jump to downtime, etc. There is also some more dashboards available in the form of the machine list. And this typically works better on your desktop because it just shows finer details. But this is one of my favorites, where what we can actually do here is we can customize what we see in these columns. There are some pre-built views, but we can also just come in here and edit the columns, and we can show whatever information we want to see. Simple as that. They're the dashboards that come standard with the product. You do also have the ability to link up systems such as Power BI or Tableau to display customized views. And we also have a labs environment where you can develop your own displays. But that's one for another video. If you have any requirements for large visual manufacturing displays, please reach out to us. Always happy to help. Thanks for watching. Bye.